What if the tool you've been treating like a glorified note app just turned into a full AI agent overnight? Not a small feature update, a complete shift in what the tool even is. Most people are still going to open NotebookLM this week and use it exactly the way they did 6 months ago. They have no idea what just changed underneath them. And the small group of people who do know are about to pull way ahead of everybody else. And I mean that. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's what actually happened. Google pushed a massive update to NotebookLM on June 8th, and it quietly turned the tool into something completely different than what it used to be. There are 3 big changes here, and every single one of them matters, so stick with me through all 3 because they build on each other. First, the chat got way smarter. NotebookLM now runs on Gemini 3.5 by default, and it's powered by something Google is calling anti-gravity. On top of that, it ships with over 100 curated software skills built straight in. What that means in plain English is it can now handle real, deep research and actually work through complex analysis, not just summarize a PDF for you and call it a day. You can also see the reasoning steps now, so you're not just trusting an answer because it sounds confident. You can actually check how it got there step by step. That's a big deal because most people just take whatever an AI tells them at face value. Now, you don't have to. Here's the part that's actually wild though. Every single notebook now comes with its own secure cloud computer attached to it. That means NotebookLM can write and run code completely on its own without you needing to know a single line of it yourself. So you hand it your data, your PDFs, your spreadsheets, your images, and it doesn't just read them back to you in a summary, it builds things from them. We're talking real charts, real PDFs, Word docs, CSV files, Excel sheets, even full slide decks ready to use. So think about what that actually means. It went from being a tool that reads your stuff and tells you about it to a tool that builds finished usable things out of your stuff. That's not a small upgrade. That's a completely different category of tool than what most people think they're using right now. And this third change might actually be the biggest one for most people watching this. Before this update, you had to walk in with everything ready. You needed your sources lined up and organized before you could even start a project. A lot of people never even got past that step. They'd open NotebookLM, realize they had to go gather 10 documents first, and just close the tab. Now you can start with nothing but a loose idea or a question. You just chat with it, and NotebookLM helps build out the source library for you from scratch. It pulls from Google Search to suggest sources, and you stay fully in control of what actually gets added in. Nothing gets pulled in without you approving it. That changes the entire starting point of a research project. You're not stuck staring at a blank page trying to gather material before you can even begin. You can begin with literally nothing and build from there. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, I want to be straight with you here because I'm not going to oversell this to you. This brand new agentic update is rolling out first to Google AI Ultra users and certain workspace business accounts. The base version of NotebookLM is still free, and a lot of the core research and studio features still work across every plan, even the free one. But these newest agent features specifically are rolling out to everyone gradually over time. Not all at once to every account on day one. So if you open it up today and don't see everything I'm describing yet, that's exactly why it's coming. It's just not universal yet. So let me break down how this actually works once you're in it. There are 4 main parts to it. The library, which is where you start a notebook and gather everything in one place so it doesn't get scattered everywhere. The research section where you can switch between a fast mode and a deep mode. And deep mode is the real agent, the one that actually digs hard and pulls recent information complete with citations attached. The chat, where you talk to your notebook like a custom assistant that already knows everything, you fed it, no re-explaining context every time. And then the studio, which is where things get turned into actual finished output you can use. Inside the studio, you can ask for an audio overview, and it builds you a full podcast episode. You can ask for a video, an infographic, a mind map, flashcards, a slide deck, a complete written report, and it actually generates all of it for you. And here's the part that genuinely surprised the people testing this early. These agents can work in parallel, meaning you're not waiting on one thing to finish before starting the next. You can kick off a podcast, an infographic, and a video all at the exact same time and just walk away from your screen. You go do something else entirely with your day, and you come back later to finished work waiting for you. One more thing that really stands out here, and I think this is the part people are going to care about most. Every answer this thing gives you comes with citations attached to it. You're not getting some confident sounding guess dressed up as an answer. You're getting an answer that points directly back to a real, traceable source. You click the little number next to the claim and you see exactly where that information actually came from. No more wondering if it's making something up. And the freshness of the information is honestly impressive. You can ask it about releases from this month specifically, and it pulls genuinely current information with sources attached to back it up, way more current than what you typically get from a chatbot working off older training data that hasn't been updated in a while, cited current answers in one single shot. That alone changes how fast you can actually learn something new, instead of getting fed something that just sounds right but might be outdated or flat out wrong. So, who does this actually matter for? If you do any kind of research at all, even casually, this is for you. If you create content and you're tired of staring at a blank page every single time you sit down to write something, this is for you. If you want answers, you can actually verify with your own eyes instead of just taking a chatbot's word for it. This is for you. Students, creators, people running a business on the side, team leads managing other people, anyone who's dealing with a pile of information and needs it turned into something they can actually use today. Before you go open this up yourself, a few quick things that'll save you time. First, name your notebooks clearly from day one, or you'll end up with a mess of unlabeled notebooks that you can't tell apart from each other a week later. Second, use deep research mode specifically when accuracy actually matters to you, and stick to fast mode when you just need a quick answer and don't need it digging deep. Third, always check the citations. That's the entire point of getting grounded answers in the first place. So actually click through and verify them instead of just trusting the output blindly. And fourth, start small. Build one notebook, generate one report, see how the whole workflow feels in your hands, then expand out from there once you've got a real feel for it. Here's the bottom line on all of this. This isn't a small feature update buried in some changelog nobody reads. NotebookLM quietly turned into a real agent that can research, build, and hand you finished work without you babysitting every step. And most people watching this video right now are still going to go use it exactly like it's 2024. The people who actually open it up today and start testing what it can build for them are the ones who are going to look miles ahead in a month from now compared to everyone still treating this like a note-taking app. So don't just watch this and scroll on to the next video. Go open NotebookLM today and actually go see what it builds for you. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.